As the sun shines on all of my glory, my flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of?
Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So I've been wearing these boho box braids for like a little over 3 weeks now, and so I want to show you guys how I not only just like properly maintain this hairstyle, but also show you guys how I take care of my natural hair while it's in a protective style. Many of you may know I was locked for 3 years. I combed my locks out a few months ago. What I will say is that my lock journey really taught me how to properly care for my hair. And so pre-locks, I think I did a pretty good job of taking care of my hair. My hair was growing, but what I will say is that while I have my locks, I feel like my hair was thriving. And one thing that I learned with locks is just the overall importance of hydration and just leaving your hair alone sometimes. And I know there's a lot of discourse on the internet on whether or not like braids, wigs, weaves, things with like additive hair, things that we would consider protective styles, whether or not they actually protect your hair. And I'm gonna let y'all know now, I am no professional. A lot of what I've learned is just through trial and error in research. And I agree with some of the reasons why people don't consider like box braids a protective style. But in my opinion, I feel like any style has the potential to be damaging with improper care and just overall negligence. I feel like locks is like the ultimate protective style, and there's so many things that I've learned from my lock journey that I'm still incorporating into my overall hair care routine now that I'm back to loose hair. So yeah, let's get into this video. I'm going to show you guys how I take care of my natural hair while I'm wearing these box braids.
Alright y'all, so let's get into it. So I'm just starting by removing my bonnet and headscarf from the night before. You should always be tying your hair up at night, whether it's in a protective style or not. But if you are interested about these knotless box braids, I will have the video installed linked down below for you guys to go check out. But again, it's been a little over 3 weeks since I had them, and I think they're still looking really good. So I'm going to start by spraying my hair down with some water. These are boho braids, so I usually spray like my ends with water to kind of activate the curls and waves. However, on maintenance days, I also spray the top part of my braids close to my root where my natural hair is. I used to spray my locks with water every day, and that's when I realized how much my hair loves water, and I also realized how important water is to properly hydrate and condition the hair. A lot of times when we think our hair is dry, we tend to pack on oils and cream, but water is really the key to keeping your hair hydrated and moisturized. And while I don't spray my hair with water every day anymore, I do still try to find ways to incorporate water into my routine as often as possible. So I have been using these products from Plantmade, which I have really been enjoying. If you guys are interested in any of their products, I will have a discount code for you guys. So first I'm going in with Drizzle. This is their hydrating mist. It's made with distilled water, aloe, rosemary oil, and a few other products, and it's supposed to help combat dry and brittle strands. And it's also super lightweight, so I'm just spraying it again on the top half of my braids where my natural hair is. I'm not really spraying it on the ends of the braids, and then I'm just going to use my hands to kind of rake and squeeze that product throughout my braids to make sure that it's evenly distributed. And y'all know braiding hair can also be very drying, so I feel like since I've been incorporating this, my hair and my braids don't feel dry. It feels really soft. Now I'm going in with the Inches oil, and this is also made with rosemary oil, avocado oil, aloe. I start by pouring some into my hands, and then I'm going to rake and squeeze it through the top part of my braids. And then I'm also going to go in with the dropper and apply it throughout my scalp and massage it into my scalp. This oil is supposed to help with strengthening and growing the hair strands. And then I'm gonna go in with this Roots serum. It's supposed to help with skin irritation. It's supposed to help heal and soothe the skin. And since combing out my locks, I feel like my edges have become very sensitive. And they've always been on the finer side, so I love incorporating products that give them a little bit of that extra TLC. Then lastly, I'm just going to do my edges like normal using my Style Factor Edge Booster. You guys already know, so I do my edges and then I'm going to tie my hair down. And I usually try to make sure to do this process in the morning. Since I sprayed my hair down with water, you want to give your hair some time to air dry. So I wouldn't do this at night and then like put a bonnet on it. I usually do it at the beginning of the day, and that way my hair can properly air dry throughout the day. And that's it. I wore my scarf for about 20 minutes, and then when I take it off, this is how my hair looks. I don't do this full process every day, like with wetting it down and everything, but I do try to do this at least 1 to 2 times a week. My hair has been super soft. I haven't had any itchy scalp. Plus these products are super lightweight, so I haven't noticed any buildup either. I definitely used to be one of those people to run a little oil through my scalp and keep it moving, but developing an actual hair routine, I can tell such a difference in the overall health of my hair. And protective styles are great for low manipulation. However, if you're gonna neglect your real hair, it kind of defeats the purpose of the protective style. But that's gonna be it, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out Plantmade and follow me on all of my social media platforms, and I'll see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.